Hello everyone, Bad Panda Productions here, and a new leak has confirmed that we'll be getting a LEGO Korg figure in 2021. Basically, this image leaked which shows a new molded hair/helmet piece for Korg, which means this will probably be an ordinary minifigure and not a big fig. I believe the most likely LEGO Marvel sub-theme for this minifigure to be released under would be the Thor Love and Thunder movie, however that doesn't release until 2022. FalconFan1414 on Instagram confirmed that this wouldn't be included in the rumored LEGO Marvel CMF series, so I guess it's possible Korg could be included in one of the non-film specific Avengers that's coming this year. But what do you guys think? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Please like this video and subscribe if you enjoyed and you want to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.